What is up, y'all, and welcome to The Real Ray. I thought it would be fun to do some mocktails. I'm not drinking right now, honestly, because I've started a new medication that does not interact well with alcohol. So I still want to be able to drink something fun while my friends are getting their sham jam and real cocktails on. So I thought I would do a video showing you some fun mocktails. What I've learned in the process of making this video is basically add ginger ale and sherbet and some fruit to anything, and it turns into an amazing fun beverage that is, not your everyday drink. I'm going to show you 3 mocktails that I made that I really enjoyed, and I hope you enjoyed them too. Let me know in the comments below how they worked out when you did them. And if you have a go-to mocktail, let me know what it is in the comments as well so I can try it. All right, y'all, Happy New Year, and let's get started on our mocktails. Thanks for watching and learning how to make some mocktails for your New Year's Eve, or just, the daily grind when you want something to drink a little special, but you're not drinking alcohol. Everyone have a safe and happy New Year's. 2020 is almost over and we can start fresh. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure and go ahead and do that and hit that like button if you enjoyed this, and I will see your beautiful faces next time. It's The Real Ray. Bye.